Hello everyone. Today's video is going to be an interesting video for everyone who is willing to get a remote work from home opportunity. So here we will be discussing about top websites that we can use to get a remote work from home job. Now let's start. The first company is Remote OK. So here's the website and you can check out the website, find a remote job, work from home anywhere. This is the list of the jobs available and you can search here as per your interest. Like these are all the kind of jobs that you can check out, like related to marketing, tech, content writing, recruitment, or education, anything. And based on your location, you can set the location from here and the salary, and here are the benefits. So for example, I would like to set it as worldwide jobs. So here's a list of jobs available worldwide, and you can choose any of the jobs and check out the details. Okay. So the next company is FlexJobs. You might have heard about this company. This is a popular company that offers remote work from home jobs. And here is the website. Find genuine remote jobs at companies that get it. Browse and apply to expert verified jobs near you and across the globe. So you can check out the website and start searching from here. Awesome companies are hiring for remote jobs. So, and here is the website. You can search from here. And so if you wish to get 100% remote job, here is the and set next. So depending on your location, you can check out the job. Now here you need to upload your resume, and if you don't have any resume, you can still check out the jobs. Like for example, we are willing to get content writing jobs. So here I have searched for content writers, and here are the top categories that you can choose from. For example, I have chosen customer service and then marketing, medical and health. Okay, writing. Now, if I choose less than 3 years of experience, here you can check out all the jobs, all the remote jobs available. You can check by title, keywords, and location. For example, I am from India and I would like to get job opportunities in India. So here are the job opportunities like data engineer, senior editor, content writer, hybrid remote work. And here, so this is the list of jobs available. And this is like 100% remote work, lead engineer, total reward specialist, and then there is reporting analyst. So these are the list of jobs, and depending on your interest and experience, you can choose any of the jobs and then check out the role and check out all the details and then apply for the job. The next company is Remote Task. Here is the website Remote Tasks. Earn while doing online tasks from home and start earning today. So this is the company's website, and if you work from anywhere, anytime, flexible schedule. So if you wish to get a 100% remote job, work from home opportunity, or part-time job, so it depends on you. You can choose either, and you can start. You need to create login ID and password, and so here you can start. Okay. So you need to create your profile and then you can you can check out the jobs listed on the website.
Next company is Indeed. So you can type here indeed.com, and so here is the website. Here's the website, and you can search for any of the jobs. So you can search for work from home remote jobs through the website, and you can set here location and the job title from here. So for example, I'm looking for a data entry kind of position, and I can set the location as Delhi. So here are the jobs listed, and you can check out the jobs. So these are the jobs available, and for example, I'm looking for all the remote jobs. So here I can check out the jobs available, like back office executive job is here. So this is a work from home opportunity, remote opportunity. So these are the available jobs that you can do work from home or remotely. So likewise, you can set your own location, and you can set the job type that you are interested in. So these are the jobs available to work from home. So likewise you can check out as per your interest, as per your education and the location. You can check out or find the jobs. Now the next company is We Work Remotely. So this is the website, and We Work Remotely also, as the name suggests, offers different remote job opportunities. And here is this is the website. So this is the largest job board for remote jobs for over a decade. WWR, that is We Work Remotely, has been #1 site for remote jobs with 6 million monthly visitors and the world's largest remote work community. So here are the listed jobs. Now here, if you are interested in remote jobs, you can check out here like top 100 remote companies. You can find here top remote job searches, advanced job search, and these are the jobs listed here. These are the latest jobs available. Here you can check like these are the jobs available for anywhere in the world. Community support specialist, and then there is customer success manager. The company is offering the opportunity, remote opportunity anywhere in the world. Likewise, you can check as per your location and your interest area, your education, your qualification, or experiences if you have any, or if you are a fresher, so anything. These are all the websites that you can check to find a remote job or work from home job for yourself. The next company is Just Remote. So here's the website Just Remote, and this is also a website that you can use to find a remote work from home job for yourself. So if you are looking for a part-time or full-time remote job or a freelance job, you can check out the website, and this is the list of the jobs available. For example, this is freelance writer job, remote public relations and social manager, manager, senior product designer, system sales engineer. So you can find like any tech or non-tech jobs. See, there are plenty of jobs available for you. No matter what is your geographic location, you can set your location, and likewise you can check out the jobs. So for the jobs that are listed as worldwide or anywhere in the world, uh, those jobs are those jobs are available for all the candidates based in any geographic location. However, for there are jobs that are basically location dependent. For example, there are some jobs that are listed as like US only, or for like Asia only, or like there are jobs that listed as Philippines only. So those jobs are basically for candidates who are based in that particular geographic location. So that you need to check. Now, last but not the least is LinkedIn, and LinkedIn is a great resource to find any kind of freelance work. LinkedIn is a great resource to find freelance or work from home or any kind of remote job opportunity. Here you can create a network of a network of professionals, and here You can connect with them, you can discuss your profile with them, and you can get the opportunity over the LinkedIn only. If you would like to use LinkedIn to find a remote work from home opportunity, here is the search button that you can use. For example, I'm looking for remote jobs, remote research jobs. See all jobs results in India. So these are all the jobs available in India. So these are all remote job opportunities, and you can check out, you can check, this is a long list, and you can check out each and every job, and based on your location, based on your interest and experience area, you can check out any of the job detail, and accordingly you can apply for the job. So this is easy apply. So first you need to create your profile on the first you need to create your profile on LinkedIn. Then you will be able to use the platform to find a remote work from home opportunity. So go ahead and check out all the 7 websites that I have discussed in this video. The most important thing is that before you start searching for any remote or work from home opportunity, you should be ready with your resume, with your cover letter, and plus along with your laptop or desktop, or and a stable internet connection. Because if you are interested to get a remote work from home opportunity, or you want to start your freelance career, it is very important to first have the resources ready. Then only you will be able to get the job, and then you will be able to start the job and start earning. Okay, so go ahead, and all the best for your job search. Thank you for listening.